What's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. Leave a like and also subscribe. So, my people, I have some things I'm going to share with you because you are going to know, my people, the whole Nisha situation and thing. With Owie, me hear some people attack and them a say, boy, Owie must find foreign woman, and the foreign woman, she mash up the girl that way there. You understand? You know, people are going to speculate and give them own, you know what I mean, opinion on the situation, and them are going to draw for all different type of things. But people, me don't know, but this a person, I just feel it for that girl, a big woman thing. Me feel it because she just nice and alright, you know what I mean? She no fussy, she no fuss, and she no cuss on them something there. She just nice and humble. You know what I mean? And if you see them type of thing here, reach them a type of people here, make more wonder enough time in them people. You see what I say? Because enough of the people them where certain things for reach in a life, to calm them down, to make them pray them life and pray them wickedness. It not happen to them. You see me as some nice people, some dangerous and terrible things happen to. I feel it for that girl and my people, big woman thing, I feel it for her. You see me, I say, and yo, I wish that girl recover and regain her full strength and back to life again and start make back her money and take care of her family and live happy ever after. But we all know that this world is not as we see it. You know what I mean? A whole heap of things. But people, me not dwell upon that. We are going to move on. So you are going to know my people. SHEBADA come deal with Rosealee in the wickedest way. Because remember, Rosealee whop up her sister over like a situation. And me say, me not see nothing too wrong with it. Although it extra, me no give the full length of the video and how she a whop up the picnic. She deal with the picnic wicked. You see me? I don't go to the full audio or the full video. You see me? So it wicked how she deal with the youth. You know what I mean? And on the internet again, that I go shame. Yo, a whole heap of things still, you know, so we as people like in the inner city, enough trauma we go through. Because that a trauma for the girl too, although what she do wrong, we have to find ways to deal with certain situation because beaten. That can't stop nobody from do what them want to do when them young. Me I tell you the urge to do certain things way bigger than the beating where them are gonna get. Them prefer do it and take the beating after. You have to put something else in place. You know what I mean? Cause enough how we get some whole heap of beating. You see it and in a change and we have to grow up and change. You understand? And them say knowledge is power. Yes, when you know at that make you go make better choices in life. But everybody deal with situations different. Because you see when Rosealee done beat the picnic, Rosealee give a plate of food in other people. And at that enough of our parents do it, when we smaller, you know what I mean? Children love we more while them beat because we rude and then try for, you know what I mean? Yeah. But me are going to make you hear what SHEBADA officer my people. I want to tell me what you think in the comment. Jagga and Annie right now, my people. I be things are going on with them because you are going on See? Annie, like she take on to TT in the most way and take in TT. Seeing Jagga don't like that because him feel like say true him done with TT, the whole family fi done with TT. You know what I mean? That make me feel like say him have look of feelings for her. You see me? I said that's why him no want her around. But guess what me know? Jagga have him own yard where him live. Annie have her own yard where she live. Me no feel like say Jagga fi dictate to Annie who she fi keep friends with, and Annie can't do that when it come to Jagga. You understand? All Jagga do when him a go link Annie make Annie know say yo me a forward me no want to come back up in a TT certain way and maybe Annie just make TT give the yard a walk or something like that. You know what I mean? So we're gonna get in that my people. Seeing some of the chat and me even remember what else me have to share with but these are some of the things me sure me left out something. You know what I mean? But when I go see it in the video and maybe add things as we go along. So make we get in it, my people.
Thank God you fast the worst. Stop it. I'm not joke with you.
Well,
Come suck me. You suck good like that.
Where?
Where all look a self fuck you look like.
Yo, Trav. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm gonna prank King tonight.
I'ma say a little as hell fuck.
Yes, I'm gonna sell it for cheap and I make money. No, me also Conrad, I'm gonna leave you with Conrad. Conrad, that's my friend. Have a nice day. Yo, what up? Hey, legit, Conrad alone before that one. Yo. I'm gonna call Jayden. Where Jayden there? Not alive. I go over the Batman saga. Yeah, well, I'm low. I'm so going.
Nobody not say that. What is mother? Ivany, right? Live content. What is?
I don't put up no picture for cheese. Me not put up no picture for blood clot cheese. Why she mad? Because I'm go and catch her in the deplorable condition. I'm come, I'm video her blood clot because she
why
not
they lick her down?
No, she look up. You say she look up in front of me and I'm not to go up on her.
She no pregnant. That itch she use for them start for she not breed.
So that's for the belly girl.
She never that breed in the first place. Man, I breed her.
No, she's pregnant for true.
Who tell you so? So she not come out of the people them house. Tell her say me I go Donald Trump say he must send her down and take up Derek Morgan because she not make no sense in a foreign. Derek more make sense. So he must go send her down and take up Derek Morgan. And tell her say me and the landlord a friend. And if she go back there, they will go make them take her and put her in a detention because she know feel snuggling in a people blood clot house in America. Yeah.
Well, them can't some of them. I love them can't
So why you go video the woman and put it on social media?
I don't put it on social media. I video. I never work hard. I just bloggers and put her on it. I put her on it.
No, you go live.
So she wouldn't do this to me the same thing. She have sympathy for me. She never did that struggle me and put up a picture of blood clot and one ugly picture. And blood clot, the palm may trace me, and me trace back her blood clot. I'm gonna get a car so she capture the house. And then she get put out and I just go around there. And I fear her house, she not parent on there.
But you make she push you down.
She not push me down, darling. She lick out the phone to my hand.
And you know the off the defend that a bad fear then.
No, if I lick her now, and that other say we want other way around, that's me a man, and me a fight woman, and you can't trick me. Yeah, you can't trick me, my love. The phone is lick out of my hand and another big deal. She upset, I'm there with her, she live. So she could have even pushed me.
Alright, me gone.
Yeah.
I like the bitch I tell. Cheese would have beat up in blood clot and they are going like say cheese no man to cheese no man. My dear. You well I know is a man. Cause nothing but cheese no feminine or soft. I want a real muscular man that cheese would have angle them. It look like me, don't know. Cause if a girl box out the phone out of your hand and you not defend that, you could have box my phone out of my hand. Box my phone out of my hand. Might as well cheese could have throw look up piss pan them then. Cheese should have just throw look up piss pan. Ad King. He's not live. Oh, I'm gonna buy a ticket and go to Tampa. I'm joking. He's not live. I'm gonna get off to walk my dog. I'm gonna call him. Yeah, I need to run back a prank on King for real, for real. Y'all fuck with my nails? I'm always that girl when it comes to nails. Like, I'm always that girl. Like, my nails are always top tier. Show your ear. This is my hair. What's there to show? I'm going out later, me and my son. Go walk my dog now. Guys, I love y'all. Thank y'all for the gifts. I'll be back live. I'm gonna be live 4 o'clock. I'm gonna take the appetizer and they make me want to sleep. So I'm gonna walk Louis. Take a little nap. Set my alarm. I wake up 4 o'clock. Do my makeup.
Yeah, me have 1 daughter and 2 sons.
Alright. So Kay, me ask you something. If one of your son then get a girlfriend, right?
Yeah.
And you know business about your son and their relationship, right? But
Yeah.
your son and the girlfriend stop talk. And the girlfriend come for life, come class your son. And one bag of something. You would bring that girl around, okay?
Yeah, for me understand. Would I make she go on home, go on easy back for true. I don't really look good.
She class me first, a class for class. She class me first, a class for blood clot class. And no girl we can't read can't come up to me. No girl with blood can't read can't come up to me. She class me first, so me class her back.
Alright, me just want to say this to people. See, when it comes to Jagga and TT, you know, me don't feel like say Jagga have nothing at all to do with TT and the relationship. He make Annie know TT, yes, but at the end of the day, you know what I mean, him can't live any life here, and plus him not live which part Annie live. So him have to just live with the facts, and he take on to TT and have TT around her. So me I say, at the end of the day, my people, Annie a big woman, you know. So Annie no have whole heap of people where she link with certain way. You know, some woman grow out them friendship with some people and fall out with some people, and if you don't understand what I mean, them don't really have whole heap of people around them. So when them get some new people where them take on to them into them. You see me I say, I like you look a company certain way. She have her daughter them and thing where she live with, yes. But to how she and TT, you know what I mean? And plus she have the same past like what TT I go through right now. Remember the go and something. You see me? So Annie know the whole heap of things where like she know TT. She look and fear herself when she did a TT age and I do all of them things there. So that makes she kinda take on to TT. So as I said before, Jagga just to make Annie know say, yo, you know, say me I come over tomorrow or such and such. Annie make TT know say give the yard a walk. Ray. People make mistake, teeth and tongue meet. So the part where him say TT class him and Ray. Jagga, it's so it go. You have to get class. You know what I mean? I just say things that you have to just ease up on Annie and make she do what she do. And just love TT. You know what I mean? That's just my opinion still, my people. But me know what other thing.
Okay.
Every day the girl come on live and feel me name in the pan. Feel me forgive name. And by the way, long before me and the girl even left, long before me and her even left, she gone on live. She go on live with her ex and disrespect me. She go on live with her ex man and disrespect me.
Yeah, for sure.
And screen record out there.
Oh boy. Just go and concentrate on your kids and me a Jagga, boy, me a tell you. Annie now go run her cause Annie want a little more drama. I saw Annie stay. It's on.
Okay, big blessing.
Hello?
Not so good.
Yeah, hear me?
Yeah.
And it can make TT go down for 1 week and on come up because at the end of the day, you're in belly pain and you're in flu pain for 9 months, not TT. And if anything happens, TT, I go choose our mother over and nobody now say must dash out the girl clothes there, but he can just say to her, say, you know, say you can go down and make jayden come up and Chanel and then you can come back up. Nobody now say she must run her, but he can say to her and make she go down because when I pick me, I only feel pain with not teething. So she had been alright. I guess that's how I really opposite skills.
That's the next solution. I tell her that. I tell her I say I'm not coming up there. And I like somebody really have a problem with you like that. So I say, you can't par with it. And I tell her, I talk to her. I say, talk. Go back from a distance if you want to see it. I tell her, I say, don't bring her yard still, you know. But he don't bring her yard already. So I can't tap that. I can't tap a person from do what she want to do. No.
Exactly. But really, I think she not like Chanel. She not like a bone in a Chanel.
No, she don't like
Chanel to go.
she can't force nobody to love Chanel.
I'm not advise Chanel to go on her because you really not like Chanel. And if I'm like Chanel, I'm gonna go here, honestly.
Chanel now go listen.
Yeah.
Don't me talk to Chanel from your first film. I say Chanel. Missy say they not really like Chanel. Talk to Chanel, I say stop growing them. Can't top Chanel. Chanel still a growing them. Can't top Chanel. And I love them. Let me tell you something still. My mother like people around her where she can control. She like people around her where she can control. That me realize. I used to say she can't control me. She not really want we around him. She don't want we around her. Sometimes the shit you need for understanding, bro. There's so many people, I don't know who to hurt. You know, don't explain to them. Someone don't have no sense. Someone don't need to go grow some sense.
Hey, brother. You know the issue? I don't think people are understanding. Everyone keeps saying that you disrespected TT, but you're not going around TT's family. So whether you disrespect her or not, it's not you that's crossing the bounds and going into her part. It's her that's doing it to you.
Okay.
And also, I know this is TikTok and everyone's seen it as all of a series, but this is people's real life and real feelings. You have kids, so when your ex is paraded around with your mum, and then life comes around, how are you going to explain that to your kids?
Yeah.
Yeah, and people say over here are crying.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Okay, man.
No, let me tell you, right? No, me maybe so in a way, but you me put you first above all others because you're mine. And me know you maybe feel like me not love you. Me love you like you're my firstborn, you're my first son.
I mean, you don't put me first, you put TT first. You kind of respect my wishes. You know respect my wishes them. Me tell you say me and somebody done. Imagine if me and TikTok police did that part, I don't know how you would have feel. Oh, you would have
that me not like with you, me not like how comes you to put up call people name in a certain things where the circumstances is much different. The circumstances is much different. So why would you come put that the name there? That me tell you, me not understand you. Why would you come here so with that the name there at the end of the day when the circumstances is much different to me? Oh, not different.
If somebody go up on live and disrespect me, I same thing TikTok police to go up on live and disrespect you and tell lie on you, same thing TT do. TT do not set no good reputation for me, bro. TT make me two little boy them have a grow up and come up and hear say me did a suck. Go front. And I truth and I lie me at her.
You can't always say things and you know go so. Well, but say things and not always go so.
The girl come on live and tell one bag of piece of life on me, bro. And she not even have the bro, you know, it make no sense when talk, you know. People come to me and say sorry, but one of them run my family. My family, Titi a big woman. Titi have her responsibilities. She says she have a house.
Hey, but people, Jagger have to just get over this. You know what I mean? Him just have to just get over this. Because, yo, it don't make sense in prolong this argument here. Because at the end of the day, me know say, and it's still a go link with TT no matter what him say. Him could have try iron. And that I go happen. You see me I say? So him just have to just get over it. And you know say woman mouth of them strength, you know, Jagger. So woman I go chat some things and try disrespect you, you know. You know what I mean? The quickest thing for your woman say a man name them front. You see it? That are the quickest thing for them say. So people let me know the thing where what somewhere.
I live in a rent house. A rent house me living in. Rent house me living in. And girl can't disrespect me. And I you say to her upon the life too, you know.
Boss lady want baby. Yeah, when I say to her upon the life because you know it una close with each other. And she a true fear word and you a true fear word towards her. You understand what I say? Me here tonight. When I tell me think a joke would not make because the end of the day.
Where you hear me say?
No, it was a comment where you're making at the comment section and them say, yeah, this is
Tell me where you comment say.
I never made in a read out. It was a sister did the year
yeah, but you did a pick up fear though.
Me now pick up fear right too. I will not to no one another. Me now pick up a TT Tate.
Mommy. You did a pick up fear. That about tell him say you have your own house, a rent house in living.
And TT, me tell you that.
Your own you.
Tell him say you have him own house. You have your own house. Told them I disrespect you. Don't not disrespect her. TT can't even read the fucking comment.
And that you tell her, mommy.
TT can't even read the comment. That's what you have to read.
The girl go come for life, come talk about say, exactly, you live in a rent house.
Me say that, Jagger?
Me say TT said that. You tell TT say, they tell me say, she have her own house. The people them
we are talking about the house here, so a joke we are making. And the house here, so we are talking about how we are joke with you. We never know if you are serious something. We are talking about the house here, so we are run joke with you and I say we have our own house. It wasn't like that, oh yeah, take it a joke. Remember say you comment, Titi even know, Titi can't even read the comments the way you comment. As soon as you have to tell Titi what you have to say.
This is the first thing, man. Titi not for the road, Titi should be the road, I don't talk this last day me I come about this. Last day, I come back. Yeah, ball and I try and say you don't want her road. You don't want she left her road. Keep her around you.
Tajay, me just express like to be honest, bro. Listen to me. I mean, don't want you be like that. Me just to be honest, to TT. This is what me say. No, to TT they round me. I mean, not lie to you, right? To TT show me love and they round me. Me not lie. It's like you don't know a connection with me and TT. I doesn't want to hold on just come together and just live as one. Me just want to hold on together. You get what me I say?
So
nothing no wrong. That's how we keep on and look at it. She move on, you know. She have her little boyfriend, you know.
I don't care if she move on.
So I don't say, what are we can just live as one?
What you tell me about that for? Me move on too. Me move on too. You can't say that. What you tell me that for? What that have to do with me? She need to move on from my family that she need to move on and do. What you tell me that for? What that have to do with me, mommy? What that have to do? What you tell me? What you tell me, say? Mommy, let me talk to you and say something to you. How much data you have? Your daughter, they not show you love. Your son, them not show you love. How much love you want? How much? Tell me how much. So some. Keep TT. When I run, first say you feel good around TT and this and that. Keep her around you, man.
You understand what I say? Man, I come for my man, I come for.
This is why. I understand.
I say, me never tell you say, listen to me. Right, me not stop you from come much for me. Them want you for me. There, you know, more for a week like me. Have a plan where you supposed to come on my phone. Of course, you want to.
Like say, we literally. Me and the power. Me and the panel live. We talk. Me and our Rasta man, our other youth. We have our one tab. Me no remember their name. And me say, mommy, but say me have me two youth them. And me have a house. Me call you last night too. You know, me tell you my problems them. You know. And like say me no tell you what go on. You know. I talk to you, I tell you, say, me I can't help you. Me tell you, say, me I can't help you. Me just need the time. Me not have the time, because me have things that try to sort out. See the Tariq for go to school, Shay for go to school, the two of them for go to school. Me remember, say, me have risk.
In a situation like this, what would you do? If you were the mother, what would you do? If you were the son, what would you do? That more I know from the people.
Responsibilities. TT now have a ticker or a child, mommy. That's why TT can click up under your arm. I mean, no say TT now put nothing towards you. Nothing more than any amount of your pocket. I you say you get
feel like
more than help more than what TT I do. Hey, mommy say me I come round you. I know you're ball and I say you don't want TT. You don't want left. You don't want TT left and round you. Make sure you turn up there. Simple, make sure you turn up there. Make sure you turn up there. What do you say? What do you say?
Everything.
What you saying, go? Remember where you go.
Come back. Give me a minute. I go come down little bit. Me I go in the live. Look at me, so come back. All of them can live as one. May I tell you that the girl have good quality about her and not about no money. Me say TT have her money and she shoot. She shoot out the whole her fucking money on my page. TT send a lion to me. She said how much give of her fucking page. It's not about the fucking money. It's not about the fucking money, bro. And about the fucking money. You see me? It don't have to be about money. It can't be about love. It can't be about dinner for your person. It can't be about seeing the person for who them is. You understand me? It's not about no fucking money, bro. TT there with me. Me see TT come and move like a family. TT there so just move exactly like she wanna me pitney them. You understand me? So it's not about no relationship. It's about just loving each other, coming together, connecting. You understand me? I say with each other. Me carry them yesterday. Me make them go shopping. Me them buy up with them one. Them look at woman type of stuff. Make them feel nice. You understand me? I say. But the thing is this now. People are choose a side and you have a lot of people want Bex with me. And right now my son Bex. You understand me? I say, me I put TT over him. Me now put TT. I would have boring song. I want this man. I don't go with depression. I don't know depression. I don't like them. I don't like depression. That song just sound like a depression. Yeah? I don't want to hear a song now. I talk to my people for them to pity they come back. I don't want a song. Sometimes when I sound depressed when I play a song. If I don't play some bad man thing and who depend that and who suck that and eat that. Or if I don't play some song with some boring thing like a man left, you know. I don't want to hear it, you know. I swear to God, I don't want to hear it.
She gone in a damn play But she crazy.
Yeah, leave me alone. Let me talk to my people then for a couple of minutes. Go on about your business tonight, TT.
No,
TT, go on, my youth. Me wrote it. But 5 minutes me can't talk on the media next me on can't start doing that though. Oh guys, they want dance soon. All of them want play song and dance soon. So many don't know if you say yes. Oh TT, no man, I know you hear that. Guys, don't know if you say yes. Cause today all of them want dance soon, but you have to boots them. Alright, like a supple drink. Cause they say they want to put on a piece of dancing for your platform. So you want to not cheer them up. You understand me? I say, say no bad out no make it turn back, because I enjoy myself too. So anyway, the thing is this, guys, you see what I like how them the separation is. TT want to be here. TT, go on man and talk, try to listen to my business now, man.
I am not doing anything.
Yo, Aki, what? My TT left your son, huh? Came out and right, try my child listen to my business. It don't matter, go on. So, the thing is this, guys, TT there so with me. You see a lot of things that people don't understand. TT been through a lot. You understand what I say? I'm want to listen to me. TT full of vibe. She have a good heart. She have a good soul. Not because of her reading ability. I will not go judge her because of the type of person who she be in her past. Right? TT not amongst me because of relationship. She not amongst me because a relationship with Jagger. She amongst me because she want to be amongst a family where makes she feel love. You understand me? And in some way she find love through me. Can me see it. So my time she takes it for me more than even my pitney. Me I tell her the truth. So my time it make me even feel like I want to look a weird way to how she treat me, but I love. You understand what me I say? But no, it's like they want have if you say me choose Chanel over she. You understand what me I say? It's not choosing Chanel over her. It's because me have a she love you. Yes, right? It's because she care about me. I don't know how to let her go. And that's the truth. Right? And Jagger want come up. Right? And I think Jagger maybe want carry Chanel. You see him Chanel was say she would have never come here, but that's okay. People make mistakes, right? And them want to come up, but them want me let go Chanel. They want me let go TT. May I tell you the truth? Me don't know how to let go TT, and me don't know how to tell her to go on. I swear to you upon my life. I
don't know how to tell this little girl if we go on because me feel a way, bro. Bro, me really care about her. She don't think about no dancing. Don't. No, she not humble. She not think about no dancing.
People, tell me what you think, right? Because right now, Annie torn between Jagga and TT, and she have to go make a decision soon. Right now, she have to go make a decision. You know what I mean? But Jagga should have been more understanding. But on a level still, people, me not feel like say, me don't even know you, man, because sometimes your woman left and the woman and the family are still friends. You can't stop them. You see me I say? But sometimes people, you really don't want them thing there. You see it? Because we don't know if Jagga still have feelings for TT, you know, and it look like say him still have little feelings for TT. You see me I say? But we don't know what I think. We are watch some more with people and then we are going to move on to the next.
She be herself. She be herself when she round me. She behave herself. She maybe cuss on dirty word and me tell her to stop and she will stop. You understand? And I say, but me don't know how. No, me go look on her even last night. Me don't know how to say it because my son a complain and I said to me, say me choose people over him. It's not about choosing people over you. It's about connecting with the person. So me don't know how. Me I tell you the truth. Today me there, son. Me don't know how to do it. Me don't know how to do it. Keep her with you and me don't know. Honestly, I want to keep her with me, but me don't know how. As Jagga then want to come up, Chanel like she want to come, TT want the year. You understand what I say? And them are going to say me a hypocrite because me go put people over my child. Me love my pitney. You understand what I say? But me feel like you all we can live as one. Like if she a move on and you have your woman and so me feel like you all we can live as one. You understand what I say? So to be honest, that's when I'm most of the part where I end up a struggle with right now because I don't really want to let go of a TT. And I don't want to know say by tomorrow when I let go of her, she go feel hurt and know say yo, I let her go at the end of the day and she did care about the whole family, she there with me and all we have a connection. You get what I say? All we have a connection with her. You get me? Right? So them there the most part me I struggle with, you get me? And I say me not love Chanel, me care about Chanel, but me and Chanel have a different type of connection. That are the whole thing. The connection when me and Chanel have is a different type of connection with TT. You get what me I say? Right? You can love people in your own way, you know, right? But me not know how to look on her and tell her if we go with today. Me not think I want to do it. Don't run her, honey. Me not run her. But I guess if I keep her, my son now, I go feel away. TT stay. Let TT stay. Don't. I don't know if I work out with she and my son. She stay, make she stay. I don't know how to work out, guys. May I tell you the truth? Let her stay. You like that for your girls. Alright, so you're gonna say would I like that for your girls, right? Alright, listen to me, right? My girls them at the end of the day, right? Come on, don't put my girls them in a that. You understand what I say? Because a lot of you now look on things away. You understand what I say? You said me not gonna like that for your girls. No, I would like that for my girls. My girls them could have end up see you and like you and connect with you, and yet still she come out in the yard and feel like so on a family at the end of the day. You understand what I say? So of course she's just like one of my pitney them who don't want it happen to no stranger out there. What you not like to yourself, don't do it to others. Always remember that sometimes when you have to put on yourself in a people's shoes. You understand what I say? That's one of the things where I mean at the earth here. No for you no put on yourself in a people's shoes. You get me? You see TT remind me of people who look for me and put me down. That's one thing with TT. TT remind me I swear to God, of people will look at me and put me down. You understand me? I say, TT, remind me of people where they see and judge you and don't see the good in you. You understand me? I say, TT is somebody where me not lie to you. You see on the outside, you will judge her. But so when you come on the inside, something different. So sometimes people don't look on the book and judge them by the cover, because enough time when you walk out the road and see people, as you don't see people, you don't judge them. You understand me? But if you don't ever know the person, they will not deal with it. Take the time out to know the person. You understand me? I say, because many times when you go around people, and because as you don't look on them, you don't judge them. You see me? But if you don't take the time out to know the person, you see me? You're surprised to know the type of person who you have in front of you. And that is TT. You understand me? Good morning, baby. Hold on. I love her, honey. TT never diss you other day. When TT diss me other day, they say, the amount of people will diss me. What talk about? Hi baby, what's up? The amount of people will diss me. Let me look on. Good morning. Good morning, baby.
Morning. And you don't run TT. Don't run. You know why, Mrs. Soto? Yeah. You people used to judge a girl, you know, but Mrs. TT is a good person. And yes, when you move, go where you don't know, and everybody are chat and laugh. Remember, you know, TT left fear, you know. Yeah. And TT can't stay with you, you know. Remember, say, I know, Dragon reach up there, I know, if you say, remember, come help my mother. I know Shania no come as a daughter-in-law, if you say, Mama come help my mother-in-law. Yeah. You understand me? TT need have to come because TT now have a chicken child for your son.
That's
so
true.
If Jagger I go come and Chanel, and if Jagger decides to look me and TT done and TT move on, there shouldn't be any issue.
That is how we see it. You know? That is how me see it.
Yeah, you know, because Jagger never want to sleep in the house before you fix it to which part it then now. And teaches as an outsider, she come and she comfortable in the place with Una. She keep on the company all along.
Definitely, she could
encourage don't run and do now because sometimes you have some good people come here part way, and after when time things happen, I say, boy, you know, say TT, they one good girl, and this and that. Probably who knows, probably a God send her around you.
May I tell you? All right, Fluffy.
Tiffy, always as a Tiffy. Yeah.
Well, and Tiffy.
Yeah.
So one night I did it. I tell you about last night. Last night me sick, right? Nobody not to pick it up. Maybe my kids then pick it up and me feel sick, right?
Yeah.
I don't panic bed, and so my time is like me sick. I not tell my kids them say me sick. Me just lie down on the bed and I try to hold it. You know, so me tear me doors off and open up my eye. Me looks, me see somebody at the bed front kneel down on her knee, and her head the down in front of like the right in front of me. And open up my eye and me say to her, I say, what you do you say? You alright? And she said, Mommy, you know, say me not feel good. And me say, warm to your TT, she there right in front of me, literally, you know, me can't just over. And she said, Mommy, me not feel good. And me jump up and say, warm to you. She said, Mommy, me go sleep. And when me go sleep, I wake up, my head hurt, me see him way, me not feel good. And me say, it does flashback on my own kids, like me picnic when me go to the hospital.
But she looked here as a mother. No,
you understand me?
Put she and Jagger aside. She looked here as a mother, you know. Me realize she looked for you as a mother, you know. And if you look into it, you know, if she never look for you as a mother, she will not come around you, say, Annie. You have to look for that. I find up at the top house and you move going here, so now she still come around you. You have to look for that, you know, and remember, say, I went and you want to help with the house, you know, Jagger, I know Chanel, she not come even look for some, make me come
really I tell you about TT of fly.
Yeah.
I've we call them something upon her back I carry up.
Sheet rock.
TT carry up sheet rock. TT run and make sure the things are happen. That's why some of the time I say, this is strange, some of the time.
Family is true.
Strange, I mean, I tell you, TT no come from my blood. I know I feel, girl. I make it up now, and I go say to TT, say, TT, you have to let me know because Jagger and Chanel are come. Bro, me don't have them, they heart there.
No,
and then do it, my heart go broke. My heart go broke up in a couple pieces. pieces. If me fucking look at the little girl today and tell her
God.
say, "Don't bro, I'm
Somebody hug Annie no, nobody never wanna come hug Annie. Oh God, don't run out your mad.
My son said to me, say, me no care about him, mommy, you no care about me, but me no understand how they can say, me care about the whole of Uno. The whole of we care one unit. Say, Aki walk there, and Aki walk come like a me no know.
Aki walk on your family.
Me, bro.
Achoo.
Aki walk could have gone, go run him taxi. Aki walk could have go do him charter. You understand me? Aki walk just joining.
Alright, my people, I go say this. I mean, I know, like, how much people are going to agree with me. But, you see, in life, especially when you're older, you have to choose happiness. Happiness over, you would say, almost everything else. Choose your joy and your happiness over everything else. Jagger and your son, him a go come back around. Choose your happiness over it. That's all we can say. Because Annie been so happy and so festive from with here, and then TT go add in another mix there, make everything more. You understand? So me would have say choose happiness. That is just my opinion still. Me know what you think.
Family and say, yo, this is my family.
Stranger.
You understand me as a stranger. So how could I run the people them from around me will see me and love me? I only for them what we did. Well, I know. Tiffy, what we did in our big house down at Jabas, the whole of them run up in our big house down at Jabas and stack up in our big house down at Jabas so much money here down there. And when things happen, the whole of them run left me. Everybody run left me. You see me? Me have to stand up and deal with it. I know me come in a local country, they say a whole house government girl. And they tell us, say, Aki walk, put on your foot and say, Mummy, are you me with? Titi say, Mummy, and Titi have her work, and Titi put down her work and say, Mummy, me I come look for you and make sure say, alright. So tell me truth, a stranger no out there will love you. You understand me? I did it for you, bro.
I choose
Sweets in the box.
Good morning.
Morning, sweetie.
You said something. I'm a spiritual person, right? I can see from afar. You know the Kentucky right in front of the Kentucky crossroad?
Yeah.
I don't know Nisha from Adams. If you're going there, you have a store we sell haberdashery right in front of there. You can go in there and ask the people them. Over 2 months or a month and a half, I go in there and I said the same thing that you just said. I said the same thing. What you said. Is dating somebody overseas, talking and cold bumper, take me. Is dating somebody overseas, the person bad mind them life and do what she do to the girl. So doctor, that is not a me talk and be a cold bumper, take me. That is not a doctor situation.
No, the doctor them can't help her.
Females, 1 minute baby. Females stop bad mind and stop red eye. Don't feel like you see somebody life and feel like you want to take it over. It's not uno one. It not belongs to uno. Love uno one another and stop envy and bad mind, bro. What you say, mama, is directly so it go. You lick the nail upon the head. And if you don't believe me, you can ask the people them in the place when I tell them. Is dating somebody overseas and I don't know them. Me don't know them from Adams. And the girl see the life and red it. Because she want to live the life there too. And it's not your life. Don't care what you do. You can't do nothing about it. It's not your life. You're not going to get the life there. God not like ugly. But not like ugly. I told me not like me not do things to media. Me not do things to media. I could talk about it long time. I told me hear you talk about it.
Yeah, me get everything.
Morning, everybody.
Morning,
Auntie Tamara.
Morning.
Alright. There is no way you and a person that come from far so long and because of family. Oh, we know where I do long time. I'm gonna see that from a long time. Oh, we know where I do. Him know everything. Not because your baby mother sick and your family them say you can't visit her. You have to fight for your woman.
You can't do nothing, mama. Mums him can't do nothing. The undertake. Oh, she come into him. She come into him as a gift that she help him out. She like.
Oh, you see when the man them love lights and that happen. You see when the man them love sweets.
There's nothing him and no matter about sweets, baby, because if you depend on the app, people help out people on the app, you know.
Yeah.
We feel like it's just help sake. No for we get some money where we're not supposed to have.
True.
So
and guys, you see this. Hold on, guys. You see this gifter. I think she's a she do you know what them self-care something that where you use for your body and so. I think that's what body care and so. I think that's what she
a group I come in.
So at the end of the day you know she have her ways because I take them go hotel, them eat together.
Yeah, in Carol, all the baby christening she was there.
Yes. Jesus, murder my head.
And then at the end of the day, you know what? You know say this woman want you carry her road Isha. And you come on the app yesterday and make we know say it bigger than we will find out say it bigger than we you think you're gonna keep we in the dark land? You're crazy. You couldn't keep we in the dark land. Town me come from. People know my voice and them hear my voice. I said, yeah, I mean that. Yeah, you couldn't hide long away. Guys, we run long time.
Long time him run, long time.
Long time him run chat. And as I say about the stepmother and the sister, guys, them tired.
And he used to treat her bad too, off the camera and treat her real bad.
Them frustrated because
my people, let me tell you something. One thing me learn in life, you know. Me learn say you must never ever accuse a person of doing something you did not see them do with your two eyes. You see me I say that is not a good thing because you wouldn't like somebody accuse you of doing something they never saw you doing or something that you did not do. You understand me? So they matter about the spiritual, this and spiritual, that and woman do this and woman that. Naturally this girl I can't sick in our people. But me not say nobody me not rule out say nobody do no anything to her. It's a possibility. But you can't just come down for one person and I say way. You understand? So me no want to think or what some more.
Should be evil. So guys, if you're not tired, just make somebody else do it.
But
there are people on this who genuinely love Nisha.
There's a case if the mother want to help her daughter.
No, the mother war yesterday at Jubilee. Big war Papa Jubilee yesterday with the mother and the stepmother. And I ask them, I tell them. Big war pop yesterday. Them a war up there. The woman said she war look out her picnic. Big war. Yeah. Big war go on. So the mother not sit back. The mother dead. But just know Crystal, I soon talk to you yesterday. But just know say the two of them did a war up there yesterday. Crystal, go on morning.
Yeah, good morning. I'm from St. Thomas, yeah? But I'm not living there. I live in London for like 26 years. And I remember when Nisha said she was immunic. Yeah? And when you're immunic, you need to get blood.
Yeah.
I don't know if you lot know in Jamaica, but in London, because I'm a immunic person, and when I get immunic, they give me blood. If I don't get the blood, I can't walk or nothing, like my whole body just mash up, yeah? But when they give me the blood now, I start move around and stuff like that. Yeah, but I'm saying that woman that take them for dinner that day, I think is the gifter. I don't know what she did, but from that time you could see it. If you look back on the christening video, you can see on Nisha's face.
I'm woman and him carry around Nisha. Guys, I just true Nisha is a humble girl. Guys, I remember when Nisha said,
wish me could have talked to like the sister or somebody who can take out Nisha and carry her somewhere for them look after her.
Hold on the
helping at that part because
hold on the crystal. Guys,
oh God. I
remember a video chat with Nisha when Nisha said to you, like Master Cha said to Owe, more goat. More put on my clothes and go out away. You understand? But this is true. Nisha is a girl who don't like carry certain things from the media. I think Nisha would have carried down away. Because at the end of the day, she must see something with you and that gifter there. Fishy. Make. Start something there. She see something. Chat. Cause we woman are not fool, and we woman know when girl want woman. We woman know when girl want woman. Yeah? But she come in like a godmother. She come to Nisha like she's a godmother. So Nisha now pray. But her old concubine like us, she couldn't go around with her. She couldn't go around. All we have a gifter, guys. We share it out, guys. Anybody know how we gifter? Share it, blood clot, yeah. Tell us her name, I call over here. Yes, cause you can't tell me nothing. On a wicked, on a foreign girl, on a wicked. You think you tell me nothing, guys?
Because she have money, she treats all like that.
Anybody how we gift her, share it, girl, make she come clear her blood clot name because guess what? Them say she a Obi a walker. Yeah? Yeah, Obi a walker, my girl. You come from foreign with a beer things come walk on the people them pitney. Yeah? And then Obi a talk about him a go foreign. Chat on the ear, Obi say him a go foreign for you. Obi can't go no blood.
So when you put Obi woman and Obi man there sent him and none of them can help Nisha. Them need to care.
I don't believe that.
Somebody need to take her out.
Yeah.
Them are gonna leave Nisha in there and make she dead.
So that to make sure come back out, make them make we know say guys. Wanna stop telling someone have family secret. There's no family secret at public. Right when it's a big building they wanna see. I just threw the people them in there. As well Kasha said. Threw the people them in there. I will leave a video and everything them have with Nisha. For make we know say Nisha F for mad out. M out. Yeah, Nisha M right out.
Nisha want all kind of medication and
no, this bigger than medication, mama. This Nisha, I know Nisha need Wobia man. No, me can't call her name the strong. Nisha need a Wobia man, a strong one. Yes, chat. We have to sit down here say them not lift up Nisha off of that bed there. Guys, don't know how we gift her. No share out the live chat, cause me not gonna work it. Share out the make how we gift her come over here cause she have bad shoot.
Where the gift may I try remember her name. What's your name? Oh man.
Prestige Wealth.
Yeah, Prestige.
Are you me a talk about today? You and your gifter. Are you me a talk about how you and your gifter? Cause you say you know this bigger than we but to find out. And if you like you gonna keep winning the dark too long. You're crazy. You couldn't keep winning the dark too long. Woman. To hold them. Sister, hold the floor liquor there. Hold the floor liquor there, sister. Hold the floor liquor there.
Oh God, guys.
At first, Miss my sister can't.
For that you do you a wicked girl. And you can't do me not now.
Hey, my people, I don't feel see a real something them people you talk. I don't feel like them something here with the matter real. But at the end of the day, people, you know who can hurt you? The people that were close to you. Because anybody who are enemy I look out for. You see me I say, so the people that were close to you, them quicker to hurt you and more have the access to you. You see me, because you're not going to look for certain things from them.
What she can do? To hold me cross. Nobody can jump on my back.
They really got sent them us and go fuck up Nisha because of Owie and whole heap of man the America. Eh? Look how much man the America.
No, me is nothing to Nisha, big sweetheart. I'm nothing to Nisha. Me just do live. Me nothing to Nisha. Nisha was just a little girl when me say top girl. Who top girl?
I don't know why top girl no come up from morning.
It's just a top girl. Come top girl. Never have my glasses more. Just say. Hey, remember. Top girl. Hey, top girl.
No, but I want my auntie.
Always say this bigger than we. So when him tell you that, you know, say.
Yeah, last time here, yesterday, my
yeah, we have to go see what bigger than we.
Leave it alone.
Yeah, when him say it bigger than we, oh, you think say the double back there over here? When you say it bigger than we.
Wait, when me hear you just talk about auntie, me not cut you, but which gift on him? What you say?
You see the gift, the gift when turn the baby godmother morning. The baby godmother, them say she the over worker. And she come from foreign when the baby are Christy come do everything. And she come left from our place and come sew up Nisha. I treat up with them say the pan Nisha. Them say one sore foot up with them when they walk through the wall, it stink.
Yeah, cause she want to take with the baby and always carry. And sure
she remember my baby.
Because you know, say when me I look into where I say from that woman they come down and I see the picture with the whole of them Nisha just get sick.
When them have dinner.
Yeah, when the whole of them have dinner, man, and Nisha pregnant. When you sure, guys.
Top girl.
Yeah.
You see Tamara? If Tamara for open up her phone right now. Picture.
Yeah, and I lie, you're telling about car
video.
No, me
message long from you.
Yes, but Kitty, yeah? I get pure something up on our phone. Yes,
so the same thing?
Yeah.
The same thing where you hear Kasha so she see. My sister saw it.
Oh my God.
The gift
hospital and somebody carry out because this is Jamaica. Anyway, you're not stand strong for your foot, then kill you off out there.
Get the picture. They have a picture with them, sissy.
Yeah, when them go to dinner, man, a whole heap of time them go tomorrow. Them they go to. Yes,
picture with the whole of them.
Yeah, go feed sister. Let me put it here, so get her pick. Yeah, get her pick. A true sweet. She have to come blood clot.
Yeah, if no, I'll carry me. They not tomorrow. We have to know we are doing, you know. If you put up, I'll have TikTok this.
No, we are put up when them got christening. The whole of them there, the baby and everybody. So how them take a picture and then she just cut off blood clot Nisha. Hey guys, some things we watch it real, you know. The girl just come here and just cut off Nisha, you know. She cut out Nisha off of the blood clot picture. You're crazy. Anyway there, me not ask, me I call your name straight. Me not even ready for calling name. Yeah, but me I make them know say everything I run off for the gifter. Everything I run off for the gifter chat. Guys, I beg you know.
God, it's rough. I can't believe this.
Guys, if you not come, I want to say add me. I don't want to talk on the talk. I don't have a problem talking on the talk, you know. You understand me? Yes. I don't have a problem. Can you see what me see and what me hear? When you can't tell me say it not go so. One thing with me, when you can't tell me say it not go so. When me see, guys, Nisha Maga than stick. Guys, me can't hook. You can't tell me, oh, Nisha Maga. Guys, I have the picture when Nisha lie down on the bed, so near Nisha Maga, only thing upon Nisha, the skin what God put on her body. Straight one.
Yes.
Right. Guys, you see Nisha turn on her side. You see her body bone, come like it can juke you. So they mash up the little girl. The little girl not even remember her baby. Nisha not even remember say she give birth chat. Chat Nisha and a member say she give birth.
Your big sister up on the net with her picking them in front of her behave like a dog shit. What you expect your little sister to do when you are behave like this in front of your picking them? What you expect your sister wanna be like you? Your sister wanna be like you? You never know. Children live where them learn. And when now learn, she beat the little girl, go beat the little girl, come beat the little girl, go. You take out everything for now where you can do to Shanta and Barbar. We know wickedness in its eyes when we see it. You sit up on the phone and pretend say you're grind with your man. You sit up on the phone and look man. You sit up on the phone and you be any old or talk anything in the world. And say I don't want the time for you look man. Your sister want man too. I saw the picture of them come. Your sister said, yeah, do your shenanigans and you look like you get by. Top chef, what one good as? And you look like you get by in a life. They want it, so don't be surprised if somebody will tell Shanta, say, put your finger in your hole and say, me a pick at your front, make me see it. But I never know. I want to encourage that iteration. So, if I beat the child, somewhere you teach the child. Eh? Are you a teacher? This is not going to beat her feet. Rosalie, I go like she turn out good. Oh my God, Rosalie, you turn out just fine. And when I say fine, I mean fine. Perfect. Yeah? Wouldn't I like take accountability for things we're not do when I start? Wouldn't I like take accountability for that? No. Wouldn't I like sit down and blame and say, but where the man say? Eh? You're not even look at your picking them. You're not even look at your picking them. Your sister should have spit in your face. Oh, she permit the child knows that she's not supposed to do it. Rosalie and them parents, they permit the child knows that she's not supposed to do it. Like every day you rub it in the child face. Let me say this to the people. And you never sit well with someone. But me don't want it sit well. Me don't want it sit well. Let me tell you something. Me and you could have seen us and talk to a get up picking them. Them not gonna learn. You know why them not gonna become mommy and daddy have to.
People, let me tell you something. Sometimes we have to be careful what we are do when it comes to youth them and discipline them or something. Sometimes we feel like it's the right thing we are doing, you know. But at the end of the day, it's right on some level and wrong on some level because it will only make certain things get worse on the youth. Alright, say Rosalie do what she do. Beat the youth and whatever. Seeing, you know what that do to the youth? That put the youth in a place where shame, you know what I mean, and withdrawn from a lot of people. And you see when a person withdrawn from a lot of people and get ridiculed, mock and tease and them something there. Because remember you have our schoolmate them or something with them on the internet to go see what go on and trouble her about it. Then you find out say she don't have a lot of friends and the wrong set of people might come and friend her for the wrong reason. And at this you find out say the person where they are trying to turn her into or turn her the things that you are trying to turn her away from, you find out say she do it more discreetly You understand? And right there, so you kind of ostracize her from most people in her circle and put her featured mostly by herself, and that do a lot to the youth them. So we have to be careful. Yeah, you can discipline her, but don't discipline her over the live. You can't make the people them on the live hear where you are going with the youth or whoever she is. You have to know where you are do. Make me know what you think, my people.
Get up and go suck food in order for we eat. That's the way of life. It's just that they might try to teach us. When we talk to our kids, what do they understand from what speech? Them understand that the hours not yet come for you to prostitute yourself. You never know that. You never know that, because all we're gonna be get up people say, you're not ready for money yet. And every day that they get to where walk out, man, make me answer that. Every day that they get to where fight over somebody baby father. And someone may always stand up out and they get to look and in and they get out. My always stop and say, you are already professed to be all of this. You're all good, you lick your front and say you can't get any girl, man. Your daughter go on, you should come from the same material. That's how I want you to come from the same material. Your sister will want to know what she can do. Even your friends them around you, so we get them for sell crutches. It's true, it's just the truth. When you go in your child or your children, first and foremost, you can even identify if them open up to a new space. You know why? Because their space has always been dirty. So you can't identify if your child is maturing and what level is she maturing and what arena is she maturing in. You see, we don't understand all of that because we have not lived an exemplary life in front of a child. So how our children to take it serious? Is it that they might beat we say we're not ready for money? Yet at what age do we ready for money? Because we will look around us in a 14-year-old, 15-year-old, 16-year-old, 17-year-old breed. You understand me? And I'm just 10. You have 4 more years. Mommy, that you beat my fat? Explain to me and you don't want to tell me. If you understand what I try to say, we often said that we are shadow picnic from things that we've been through, but we don't realize that we still live our past in front of our kids. We still live with struggles in front of our children. We are still live everywhere wrong in front of our kids, but yet still, we want to pity them for come out and talk. We want to pity them for do better. How can I learn when you not get up and make my breakfast? What kind of connection me have towards you when we reach school? How a mother treat her child? Give her child that status that when them go in front of a crowd, them understand that the crowd not have love them because them have love at home. How many persons to love to them children? She beat her sister, a murder her sister for that. When you don't even know what grade Barbara going on, you don't even know what age Barbara is, and you're gonna murder your sister for that, then you can't beat them for your own carelessness. When they pan live, I soon call you back here. No, they're not. No, unmute Boss Bella and Queen Bella. Unmute Boss Bella. Yeah, we have it. Can they unmute Boss Bella for me now? And Queen Bella, my love. Yeah, a Boss Bella dance. Yeah. How could you? So make it make sense. Make it make sense. Now you have cheese come here, because you're the same boat too. You have your son and you have 2 drag queen and you have your son and is a tranny. Give you somewhere to live. And then you walk about out batty people and is a batty man put up you and your son. Basically. Explain it to me, cheese, because I'm not right on this now. on the dome bright panties. So explain all of that for me. Bella, you come back. Eh? Explain all of this for me. You are gonna walk and burn out batty people. Queen Share, big up yourself. You are gonna walk and burn out batty people. Not realizing you're not be real. Say it's a batty boy, it's a trying to put up share now some.
Well, my people, in a cheese defense, she never did a burn out them type of people before now. Since she and the youth kick off put her up, she start burn out them type of people and this them up. You know what I mean? And then again, my people, well, we have to know what we are do and who we are take help from and what kind of environment we are bring with you them in, you know. You see me I say? So with that said, my people, we are going to listen some more and then maybe add more R in it.